Hey, what are we doing, handsome boy?
You're dyeing my hair.
I'm bleaching his hair.
Bleaching my hair.
Which is very exciting. So if that's what you want to see, then keep on watching.
Justin Bieber 2.0.
I feel like I should have prepared things to talk with you about.
Well, I mean, we can just hang out. We're in love, right? That stuff comes naturally.
Like, for the people. Don't read it. Because if I'm doing the wrong thing, you're gonna know.
Create a bleach list up to 7 levels. I don't even know what that means. Sick.
Probably have like foil or something, but we're gonna do this the other way first.
What? Let's not just wing that.
Literally the worst case scenario is
I go bald? What do you mean? Worst case scenario?
Oh, the worst case scenario is that your hair turns orange and we have to bleach it a second time. So what? I bleached my hair 5 times in quarantine.
Okay, I guess what color you went back to?
Powder in, and the 30 volume developer in, 1:2 ratio. I'm on it. Brad Mondo's gonna roast us.
I don't even know who that is.
He's like, he does like hairdresser reacts videos, but he has like millions of subscribers.
No,
He's
so in other
like,
words, we hope that he reacts.
if this burns your head, it's normal.
Why is that normal?
Like, it's normal that it stings and that it's like a burning sensation.
Perfect.
If your scalp starts to really burn, let me know.
Okay, we'll do. How many views does that TikTok have now?
182K or something. Update, it is now at 3.2 million views. Like, we were goofing around in the kitchen. I should do this. It's gonna be hilarious. People were confused because they thought our legs were his legs and his legs were mine. I'm gonna insert the TikTok right here.
With it, group drop.
Just a cloud chaser, that's all I am. By the way, I have a meeting with tomorrow, 10:30.
I heard if there was any reason for me to do my first live video, it was this.
Just dyeing my hair.
Yeah.
Hello, people.
I would bleach my hair during quarantine like 5 times. It turned out really, really bad. I ordered a whole bunch more bleach stuff, but I decided to dye my hair back brown. I just kept sending Hunter pictures of men with platinum blonde. Please let me do this for my YouTube content. I like kind of have an idea of what I'm doing. Like I know the ratio, that I shouldn't do the roots first. Evan said stop making him more beautiful, please. In case y'all are wondering what my technique is here.
Roll technique, called the crazy hair.
Another set of bleach in case his head turns out bright orange. And Angelica, don't roast my hairdressing skills. I know you're a hairdresser. I'm kind of shook that people are actually watching.
You're TikTok famous now, so.
So, fun story, my hair's in a bun right now, but I cut like 6 inches off with nail scissors the other day into the sink, Angelica, so you would be proud of me. So that happened. Hello? I love it. I gave him a comb and a buzzer and he just like flat across the bottom. Yeah. I got bleach on my arm and it's like I am bleaching my fake tan off. I was gonna do foils this time and then I got really lazy.
Great. The first time I've dyed my hair since I dyed it camo. I don't know why, it was like grade 4. Plan was we were all gonna dye it blonde. Changed up to dyeing it like in a camo pattern. Blue and green and brown. But literally, and I had like a shaved head at the time. It was like a tube.
Mr. Unwrap your head.
Is it?
You look like Mr. Clean. So we're back. We went and had a snack break. Hunter's hair is mostly pale yellow, a little bit orange. We're on Instagram Live. Say hello to the vlog. Guys are leaning on a tin of peppermint. Just applying a little bit more, but it's pretty saturated. I'm just in the spots that look a little patchy. And then I went back in on the front. What about our friend from Baltimore? You guys have bagged milk where you live?
What kind of question is that?
No, I was on someone else's live the other day and she thought it was so weird that Ontario had bagged milk. Still here. Let me know if you guys have bagged milk. Okay, so this is where we're at. How do you feel?
I feel pretty good. Good job, baby.
Yay. What vlog camera did you get? It is a G7X Mark II. I really love it. So we bleached it once, he washed it out, and we blow dried it and bleached the spot. The opposite for me, I hadn't dated much and my family was like, you don't know what you like, yeah, you haven't dated enough. I feel like a lot of people get apprehensive about like young engagements regardless of the circumstance. But yeah, I dated a lot, and so when I was like, hey, I'm gonna marry this boy, and we were like 6 months into dating, hey, And then they met him, and then my mom loved him, and she never shuts up about him. I swear she likes him more than me. Mara, so waiting to get married. Dude, me too. It planned so that we had a really big space in between. I kind of regret it, low-key, because
I don't. Imagine trying to get married during this time. How chaotic that would be.
Yeah, I guess it's true. It's good that we ended up picking January because of COVID, but it sucks because like I just want to be married.
We can go down to the courthouse.
No.
No, you just want to be married.
No, I bought a very expensive dress that I would like to wear.
How much longer do you think we should keep it in?
Are you feeling it?
Yeah, my head's kind of starting to be really irritated.
Are you okay for like 10 more minutes?
Yeah, sure.
So the toner is in.
Kind of like the way the blonde was at, so once it actually tones down, it'll go like even more.
I'm so excited. I look like a potato in all of those clips because my face was like right here. Okay, ready? Drum roll.
Looks good, babe.
I did so good.
Yeah,
I'm proud.
Yeah, I really like it. You did really good.
Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, make sure to like, give me a subscribe, and let me know what else you guys want to see from me in the comments down below. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.
You know how we do. It's not for me to say.